That's why they in the truck. No one knows it's fake. Now I know that with money. Now I wrote some dungeon with money. Yeah, we straight live. Now they just for bleachers, jelly. Let up, pay up. 1K for the 2K for the merch, nigga. I'm there with my own. Yeah, we savage. We ain't giving where to talk. Ain't no one gon' know. I'm a pet man. You a little boy. They tell me my fight. I'm on a flex for the riches. I've been in the bridges. Some tension from you, nigga. I'm killing the vibe. Killing the kill. I am a savage. And I got a bad dough, I came out home and got it, yeah, you know that it's my way up. I was grinding every day, but now I'm getting overpaid up. Man, I came here for the cake, came here for the rock. And this music, it's my place that I gon' pop.
This one is titled The Cake, an amazing song in order to be on 33 after 3 p.m. You're logged in right here on Commuter FM 87.6. It's the party bus with your boy Fanama Griza rolling alongside He Love. So the song we just played for you is from a young man. He goes by the name of Baby Rains. Joining us in the studio to tell us all about his music. There's a song that we haven't played yet. That's the one that I'm, more interested in. But welcome to Commuter FM in Chaga. It's valid. Can you just, give us your intro again? That's all about it. Baby Rains, where you from, what you all about?
Okay, Baby Rains is a boy from Winterfeld, born and bred in Winterfeld.
Okay, that is pretty interesting. But I'm a little curious as to how your name came about because it doesn't sound anything close to your real name. So, I mean, what meaning does that name hold, Corona?
Okay, I was simply looking for a stage name and which so what I came across was baby. Baby, like in a Urban Dictionary, it means something cool or awesome. So something cool or awesome, then it decided what's in some meaning and I or a diamond in a rough. You understand? Yeah, that's what baby simply means.
So it's not just a red lane, Ninja, I really mess with that. So you started your music career at the age of 10. Now a lot of kids got 10, never push a stay now, what I was starting, you know what I mean? What was happening at the time for when I actually decided, okay, I want to get into this music thing, and who was inspiring you back in the day?
Okay, back in the day, I primary, still remember. Not a music, music, so I attend culture class one. So good lesson Helena perform so like in against Michael Jackson at so you can make a performance as a Michael Jackson. So what was the performance in Michael Jackson, the teacher and Nami okay, finally something, then I'm busy with lesson and this one given on or something, then I told perform my English and every function was gay. So
okay, so it seems that by then we're still kind of thinking how now you're young, you're doing music. Batswadi ba reng ka taba e, Jo? Did they not try to talk you out of it? Did they not say hore sator hafela or something, or did they just think it's a school hobby? They never thought hore okay fitisa khole yana.
Nna mara ke motho long hore like o tseya la godimo jara, so ha ke motho hore mama bona ke ira music so le so o tlhalohantse. Then wa ba le nako e nngwe hona da so ko primary ne ke tseya DVD ya go ntlong hore koletsa re khone ho ira class re khone ho ira session ka mo sekolong because ne na le group e ke ira lona that day. So mama zala yena na e o idumelletse ke sa le ngwana mama zala.
Wow.
Joe, you're definitely blessed on Frostana because it's not every kid who learns how to push music that gets support. Because if I never went to Sudu and around or something, so shout out to Mama, Plus the Women's Month, they'll never do. So big ups to Mama for supporting the dream. So, I mean, a couple of years later, you get an opportunity to sing Bilao Yamatomo and you take Luang way up. So I mean, you started at 10, but only got to release your first single at the age of 15. So between 5 years ago, what was happening? Why couldn't you release any
song? As I said, negerata Michael Jackson and next up panela batho ba ona le studio. So I get home tsena kwa high school ke mo ne ke thoma ho pala music wa ba jwale. So ke thoma network ya batho ba ona le studio and all that ko na mo pele ke thomileng ka re okay mo so ke na go ya ke release ko the quality lyric batho ba itlhaloganyane and all that.
Okay, and it seems that in your come up, you've been progressing at the right pace, Lehona. You know, we can't say that like you grew up really quickly on the how did you start at some point, but then we know for sure that some modeling. When I was in modeling, man, maybe Warobiwa or something or what about the birthday. You mentioned something about studio time or Sakone Grabila and whatnot. King, the things among modeling, you palisa how progress, you know, challenges basically. Yeah.
Okay, go thoma ka ya studio. Nona le batho ba bang ba ntse as mfano lo mo like don tshwa wa hore wa tsantse re mo recordise mo and all that. O tla gra ke record a pina isa ju sa mastering we see lo tshwa. So ke ona yo ya mathomo. Then e ya di gig gore how pita o perform so gore batho aba feel dai vibe e because crowd e was a crowd e ya performediwa ke batho ba hipo wa itse jo ka se ba rata piano ba rata bakanya so ya ke tsona challenges tsa tse di face.
Hey, it's tough for Nagalum, Baraka. Hey, hip hop industry is something piece because you can see where the house heads are really coming in hard, especially Gamma Piano. But hip hop will never die, man. As long as Bob Baby is validated, you'll never go
trying to save the world with music.
So speaking of this music and trying to save the world with the music, the song that I'm interview guy on is titled Cake. It's a vibey song. I really like what you did with the song. Is this the sound that Baby Rain is all about? Are you a trap artist? What type of sound do you make, Bila Bila? And how would you describe yourself as a rapper?
Okay, na Bila ke artist in such, nka se ke re ke rapper or anything because they do like into rap soul and so le jazz.
Would we see you hopping into Amapiano maybe?
Yeah, you can
this is why. I want now you
I get it, push each and every way.
As long as talented, that's what you keep it going on. So you were just telling us that sound down, right?
Sound down. Nah, okay, I'm a rapper, but Kira, Lia be jazz each and every sound do you got to because ngasi ke songwriter and slash rapper fella because I'll more fella.
Okay, so what goes into like the music that you make? I'm talking lyrical content, you know, like what is the one thing write up a song right now in 2 minutes, it would come easily flowing more. And is it the come up, is it heartbreak, is it just life in general, the struggles, politics, like what goes into it?
Yeah, you can say struggle.
Yeah.
Struggle is really more so o cake mo ke bolela ngore we need the cake, we need the bar, you understand? Cake ke chelete jo, wa go ke chelete, you understand? So yeah, I would say so.
Para confida,
But the corner be on this
Understand, I mean, everything starts with the mind. So, kau feel on it. Understand? Sana mo lang feel on the wala. Tawa sa pila account number sa dito. So, I mean, as you went on the music journey, how you joined the group, you know, the group name, really.
Like Kingdom Music.
Oh, the Kingdom Music actually. Understand? Nuna level mango group unyi. And how would you say you developed yourself as an artist within, you know, the group?
Okay, kamu grupong nale 5 year can forever him tricks Toby and Tavile and this and Tavile. But vale kore momo hong ne kinalo fisa na lilo tse ding ngona le ntwe mo ba re ke writers block o betsa ka writers block writers block ke mo like o nya go kwala ba mara auna ntwe e tswa ngwa so ngare batho those guys ba nthusitse hore like ke khone go kwala mo because la ba ka reng like no cap jodi artist tse ding chijo ko scripting o tla gra hona le batho ba ba ifo ba go tsing scripting so na se
they won't admit man.
Yeah, they won't admit man
that's the set you. Yeah, especially in rap because you know aga thoma re ke malletse ke mama
mo credit mara mo ngawa tshwana na jealous because jo uthusitse
as well, first time Drake does it, no one says anything about it. First time, so the baby didn't say Ira, Arasan looked at it.
So are you still with that group or like how Hani or
No, I'm
anything?
still with the same
You're still
group
with them.
right now.
All right. So tell me, you mentioned, you know, in some of your challenges, and such. So with you having said in the beginning of the interview where you want to, heal or change the world through music and whatnot, what are the few things that you would like to see yourself doing for young and upcoming artists that was never done for you?
Okay, I'd like to pave the way for them in case already like okay, tagere nna no so ke na le studio mo ke recorda ngo teng. I don't know nga hatella ngwana mo because ke itse the same feeling yona ile bang hatelletse hore na jo no ga recorda so nna ke lo bula tsela ya hore at least nya na khona recorda yona motho then le business happen because music is not just entertainment, they get business one try and teach them business music learn how we eat music.
Yeah, well, I have to say, Joe, I think you're gonna go very far in the music industry, and I say that because not every upcoming artist is able to figure out there's the business side of things. It's not just about being in studio making the music, there's also a business aspect. If business is not doing well, then so big us on that. But I wish more artists, especially more South Africa, would be mindful of the business side. But I believe that's not a situation that you are going to be going through anytime soon. So speaking of music, but there's a song, and did I say earlier on already? There's this song that I'm particularly interested in. This one is titled "Down for You." From the title J Kunuta, this one is for a particular sambo. You understand? Tell us a little bit about the song. Is there anybody who will inspire you? And what was the thought process, Nagomira?
Easy, and I would say that. Not special.
Baby.
Such
it's a safe space. Like serious, no